Sometimes, the coziest paths lead to the greatest adventures. A new journey begins. It feels safe, like it's calling us. Come on!
This is amazing.
This place, it feels alive, like it knows we're here.
Hey,
That tickles.
Wait, who is that?
it's the Snow Guardian.
We won't let Christmas fade. We must collect 3 hidden Christmas sparks.
We're here to warm your heart.